If you're a serious chef cooking from scratch, you will appreciate a large surface that you can use to work on when using a lot of ingredients at once. A great cutting board can seriously up your cooking game, whether you are cutting veggies, chopping herbs, or slicing steak. From flexible plastic boards you can stash in a drawer, to sturdy wooden boards with juice grooves, there are more than enough models on the market today. We went through some of the best products available in the market and have prepared a list to help you land the best one. Make sure you check out the description provided below for more details on the products and the latest pricing. Use this Prepworks by Progressive polyethylene cutting board for your everyday food preparation needs. This board is pure white so that it might be fitting for your white kitchen counter. As plastic materials are most suitable for slicing raw meats, this cutting board can be utilized for a lot of your kitchen tasks. It is excellent for cutting vegetables and fruits. Be sure to clean it after using it for your raw meat. This cutting board is pretty straightforward, as it has a simple design, but at the same time, it has the essential features that should be possessed by a good cutting board. The size is large enough to contain your ingredients and your chef knife. At the same time, it also has juice grooves and a handle for secure handling. It is perfect for cutting, slicing, and chopping, and the reservoir collects excess liquids. The easy grip handle can be used for hanging storage. It measures 11 1/4 inch by 17 1/4 inch. This cutting board is for those who are in search of a budget-friendly cutting board that delivers a little bit more than a plain surface for cutting, slicing, and chopping. The Walnut cutting board from Boylton is a great size, made of quality materials, and sold by an excellent company. With its compact and sturdy design, the Mevel Walnut cutting board certainly ticks all the boxes. One of the features that makes this cutting board unique is the juice groove that runs around the edge. This helps to keep the juice from running out onto the kitchen counter. In terms of pure style, this cutting board is a real winner. This is likely preferred by people who love the look and feel of wood. While many wooden boards need to be oiled before use, this unique cutting board comes pre-seasoned, which means that it is plausible to start using the Mevel Walnut cutting board straight away. This board is intended to last and will not blunt knives as swiftly as other types of wood, although a little maintenance is needed to keep the board in top form. It is truly a small price to pay. Epicurean cutting boards are a practical and distinctive improvement from the conventional polyglass and wood cutting boards. They have all of the best qualities and none of the bad in one highly functional surface. Every design is thoughtfully detailed for functionality in use, cleanup, and storage. All Epicurean cutting boards are designed to fit in the dishwasher, will be easy to clean, and will not harbor bacteria. Cutting on an Epicurean cutting board will not dull your knives because the surface will score slightly, which helps it protect your knife's edge. Epicurean has a company eco-initiative commitment. They are Green Guard certified and use sustainable manufacturing practices with minimal recyclable packaging. Epicurean features a set of 2 Prep Series wood composite cutting boards. These boards measure 17 by 11 by 3/16 inch thick, 14 by 5 by 9.5 by 3/16 inch thick, and 10 by 7 by 3/16 inch thick. They are heat resistant up to 350 degrees and are designed with a handle opening at the end of the board. Dishwasher safe. They are made in the USA from trees harvested under the guidelines of the North America Sustainable Forestry Standards. The Totally Bamboo Cutting and Serving Board is sure to find a useful spot in every kitchen. The 3 boards included in this set cover a variety of cutting and food prep needs at an excellent value. The included 3-inch board is excellent for slicing meat, cooked or raw. Each board is composed of durable, flat-grain bamboo, which also highlights its natural beauty as a surface. Hand washes only. It is backed by a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. This is ideal for cooks who are producing complicated dishes that require a large number of different ingredients. There will be no need to constantly wash the chopping boards between uses or run the risk of cross-contamination. Select one board for meat or fish, another for large vegetables, and yet another for smaller items like herbs. The Totally Bamboo 3-piece bamboo serving and cutting board set also has a very stylish look. Bamboo is quickly becoming popular as a kitchen equipment material since it is sustainable. This attractive material is also environmentally friendly and surprisingly durable. Users should note that a little maintenance is required to keep the cutting boards in top form. They should be thoroughly oiled once a month and left to dry. This is a relatively quick and easy process that cooks are likely to perform with pride. Bring home a culinary classic with the Chop and Slice Cutting Board by John Booz. Chop and Slice boards are perfect boards for everyday use. They are versatile and more lightweight than the regular RA or R boards. Chop and Slice boards are 1 to 1.25 inches thick. These NSF certified boards are sure to become the go-to board in your kitchen for years to come. John Booz products are designed to meet the hard expectations of commercial kitchens and beat the highest level of quality and food safety standards. Each board and block is made from sustainably harvested North American hardwoods and offers a commercial-grade cutting surface that shields the sharp edge of fine cutlery. Often imitated, John Booz & Co. are internationally known for their expertise in crafting American hardwoods into products of beauty, durability, and function. Every John Booz board and block comes with a food-safe, natural oil finish that helps sustain the wood during transit. A few quick minutes of regular oil application will guarantee your new board is adequately seasoned and ready for work. All John Booz cutting boards and John Booz butcher blocks carry a 1-year manufacturer's warranty against defects in workmanship and materials. The Rectangle Carving Board with Hand Grips by Teakhaus is part of the series called The Last Cutting Board You'll Ever Need. This edge grain board is well known for its stability and durability. Its resistance to moisture and abundant natural oils make it perfect for culinary applications. This cutting board is not only spacious enough, but the added hand grips make it easy to move and even easier to clean. It requires minimal care, and you can wash with soapy water and apply mineral oil occasionally. It has been made from top quality teak wood and boasts a very appealing finish. The edges of the board are curved to provide the cutting board with a unique look. People who love the traditional look and feel of wooden cutting boards are sure to be drawn to this model. Chop, mince, dice, and carve with the OXO Good Grips cutting boards. The boards come with soft, tapered handles made for easy lifting and shifting and non-slip edges that keep the boards safely in place during use. These boards come in 3 sizes for all food preparation techniques. You can cook multiple dishes for the entire family on the utility cutting board. All boards have juice grooves on one side that helps to retain liquids, and you can use the grooved side for meats and the solid side for vegetables to prevent cross-contamination. Or use different colored boards for various tasks at hand. The boards are built of durable, non-porous, odor-resistant polypropylene that resists deep scratches and won't dull sharp knives. Boards are dishwasher safe. The OXO Good Grips Utility Cutting Board is designed to stay firmly in place at all times. This is achieved by the tiny nub feet that are designed to keep the cutting board raised off the countertop. The grooved edges catch juice while also providing users with a comfortable grip. The cutting board is medium-sized and is suitable for a wide range of purposes. The durable polypropylene is non-porous and is designed to be odor-free. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and show us your support. Have a great day.